Anyways, this is a 70-year-old shotgun, a Remington Model 17. It's been passed down in my family for generations and hasn't been shot in a while. I'm a little scared what's going to happen. And
I think we all are, D's. Worst case scenario, it blows up in your face.
Yeah.
Good luck.
We've got like 7 doctors that live in this house.
D's nuts.
Ready? Yeah.
That's Capel dude.
Pull.
Oh my God, D's is dead!
Oh, I can't see the clay!
Yeah.
The clay is so hard to see.
Finding these.
Everywhere.
Pull. My bad, dude.
Bit of a flopper.
Dead bird!
Are you still firing? I mean,
Yes, D's, I am still firing at you.
Quality
Thank you
shot.
for asking.
pull.
Oh yeah, Capelman. D's. Did he? He didn't. He hadn't hit it. He's working on it though.
Everybody else see that?
I saw it.
You never shot this one before.
No.
Hold up. I'm not a bit of steep cocaine.
I saw it.
Hey, are
We'll have
you
to go to the
videotaping
video.
the play? Like, to see if it gets shot?
You can't see the clay, D's. It's the sun.
Instant replay.
Opinion on instant replay in baseball.
Who?
I think baseball's long enough as it is. It's going to
Okay.
slow down the game. Unacceptable.
I'm ready.
Softball's a beast of a game. If Seth was there.
Seriously, Seth?
Hold on, let me go from the view of. There's no clay on it.
Yeah. But it is live and it's not clamped. And if I put my hand down there, it might go off.
Throw a clay at it. Just like. Oh, there we go. When I pick up the clay, it works. Here, D's.
It's all because AJ was here. Yeah, we actually did that before.
I would laugh.
I was considering shooting it.
Ready? Ready?
Pull.
Woo!
Yeah.
I got that one.
And my shotgun's jammed.
Oh.
It's done all it can do for you.
Good news, bad news.
Hey, has anybody got like a knife?
Let's not do it out here.
Let's not do it out here.
Pull it out.
This was James D's and his shotgun.